Hey guys, my name is Zlata Rabinovich and I'm an artist with over 20 years experience, but I am living and breathing fluid art. So everything I do, it's somehow connected with this. Today I want to show you some technique I saw one of the YouTubers doing and got me so interested. I thought, why not to try it? Basically it's a swipe, but it's a swipe with a twist. Let's do it. So first of all, I'm putting my white color and spreading it up. By the way, all my paints are already pre-mixed. They have the paint and fluid roll. If you're interested to know what are the proportions, how to do it, just go and check out my other YouTubes. I'm not covering the sides, not because I shouldn't, I should, I'm just saving some time. But yes, definitely go ahead and cover the sides as well. Now, I got the white and I would need some paint. What I would do, I just put a little bit paint. We don't need a lot. I mean, I have a small canvas, it's just 6 by 6. By the way, you must likely notice I have very colorful cake spinner. Yes, I just finished to do blooms and I was too busy to clean it up. But I thought it looks amazing, so I decided to keep it and just keep working on top of it. Hope you enjoy it. If you want to see how that bloom turned out, I do have another video on this. Check it out, right? Everything for you guys. So, I already put the metallic cobalt blue. I put Indian red, and I'm adding a little bit of the yellow ochre. That's it. I don't need a lot of colors for this technique, just a little bit. But the main thing, the black. I really need to add more black on top of this. Yeah, just like that. Now, what I do, this swipe, the only difference between regular swipe and this swipe is the way how you do it. What I do a swipe, but I start from here and go all the way, playing with the paint, and just like that. Look at this. It's quite cool for this regular swipe, right? By the way, I do have some stain on my palette. What I do, I will just add this. But let me find a way to add it in a way so it will as continuation. There we go. And clean it up and grab another one smaller. Just go ahead, add it, and here. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Yay! Ouch. Keep going. It's so cool, guys. I can't even tell you how cool is that. Now, let's see. It's the time to spread a little bit. Just like that. You can make what you want. You want a lighter, you can go for the lighter. You want a darker, okay, spread it more and you will have the darker version of your painting.